In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Subpage in Wix. Creating a subpage is useful when you want one page to sit under a main page in your menu structure. It helps visitors understand how your site content is organized, and it keeps everything looking neat and professional. First, log into your Wix account. You can do this by opening Wix in your browser and entering your login details. Once you are signed in, you should see the dashboard where your website appears. This step matters because all the page and menu tools are inside the editor, which you will access next. Next, click Site Actions and then choose Edit Site. This opens your Wix site editor where you can manage the layout and structure of your website. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct site and editor view. You want to be editing the live structure of the page menu, so you are working in the right place. Now, look to the left sidebar and click Pages and Menu. This is where Wix lists all pages currently on your website, including the main pages and any additional pages you have created. When you open Pages and Menu, you should see a panel that displays your site page hierarchy. This is the area you will use to add your new subpage and place it under the correct parent page. After that, click plus Add Page at the bottom of the Pages and Menu panel. Wix uses this button to create a fresh page entry in your site structure. Selecting it now ensures your new page appears in the list, so you can later indent it under the parent page. Once you click Add Page, name your new page and then click Done. Choose a clear name that matches what the page will contain, since the name also helps you identify the page later. After you click Done, the page should appear in the Pages and Menu list. This step matters because the page name becomes part of the navigation structure you will build. Next, in the Pages and Menu list, click and drag your new page under the parent page. The parent page is the main page that this subpage will belong to. Dragging is how you control the hierarchy, so make sure you move the page into the correct section of the list. You should be able to see the indentation and placement update as you drag. After you drag it into position, move the page slightly to the right until it is indented. This rightward movement is what turns the page into a subpage in the menu structure. If you do not indent it enough, it may remain at the same level as the parent page instead of becoming nested underneath it. Take a careful moment here and adjust until the indentation looks correct. Finally, click Save and then click Publish. Saving ensures your changes are stored in your editor workspace. Publishing is what makes your updated page structure appear on your live website. You may want to wait briefly after publishing so the site fully updates before testing the menu. And that covers everything you need to know. You now have a new subpage created in Wix and positioned correctly under your parent page, ready for visitors to explore through your site menu. And that is all there is to it.